Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to the show. How's it going? Welcome, welcome, welcome. How is everybody doing? Loving Nature Guy, hello there. Farhad, welcome back. Yago Kurno, hello. What's up? Guys, I'm really hoping that this market can go higher. I want to see it go back up there, to be honest. That's what I'm looking for. So yeah. Maybe I'm gonna try something here. How about that? Should we try something or not? Maybe we should. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the push. Should have taken a long position, right? Is it too late? Might be too late to jump in. Wow. Dude, I don't know what's up with my Ninja Trader, but something is definitely off here. I need to restart my Ninja Trader. I don't know what's up. I might have to reinstall Ninja Trader completely. Something is way off here. Anyway, all good. Let's put on the order. Hey, Terry is here. Oh my gosh. Everybody, welcome Terry on board. Hey, what's up? She's making coffee and she's listening to the stream. So we have her blessing to have a great stream now. No, it is awesome to have Terry on board, as always. So I'm looking for that 640-ish levels to be taken. You're in buys from previous level. Okay, let's go. Seems like a good plan, I think. Okay, I jumped into a long position. Actually, I missed my entry. I missed my entry here. Oops, I have to switch the account. All right. Here's the trade. I'm kind of looking for a possible push higher in this case. But we'll see. We'll see if we can get it or not. I would be okay with the 3-minute level, which is actually up there. But you know what? I'm going to take profit at 626. How about that? There's a fair value gap there. 25.75 would be good. 25.75 or 26-ish area. 25.75. Let's see if it goes down a little bit lower here, repricing this area. Then I might going to add one more. Honestly, I don't think I want to hold it too further down than 505. Actually, no, 496. That would be okay. So hold on. I need to do this right. 625. 25. Okay. And 494. 494. That would be. So let's hope. Let me read the chat. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys, I wasn't reading. Daniel, hello there. You're a futures analyst. Hello, welcome. Yeah, we might have to be careful a little bit here. That's why I'm just gonna hold this trade until a little bit down below 500. I know it's right. Yeah, Terry made some profit as well. It's kind of scary to go long, to be honest. It is scary. It is. Dominic, welcome back. 44th the X-Punisher. Oh, sorry, 44th X-Punisher. Hello there. Welcome. I see 2022. Let's go. 2022 was good. Awesome, Dominic. Good morning, Trader 007. Hello. NQ is going underground. It's okay, but first, please let it go higher a little bit. And then it can go lower. Just let it go a little bit more higher before it dives under. So let's look for some fair value gaps here. There's a fair value gap on the 3-minute right here. There's another one here. Oh, sorry. That's a 3-minute gap. That's a good level of liquidity. Okay. Okay, there's a 4-minute as well. Okay, that's at 22. I don't like that. There's another one at 22. Okay, I might have to bring it down. 21, 25. Okay. I can't really bring it down too much lower. I need to have some profit on this. So 21 should be a good TP area. Yeah, 21. Okay. Okay, we're going to go with 21. But that's it. That's it. The reason is because there is a 15-minute fair value gap there. And if something comes up, the market, you know, does something different. And there's a 5-minute CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. It's right there. That's where I want to see price go to first. We have the VWAP, we have 2 zones up there. So I think the targets are quite good. If it gets lower down to like 520-ish area, I might going to add just one more micro to it, but we'll see how the candles will be printing. And if we could make a break higher than 582, then maybe I will move my stop. I don't do that, but because it's a really scary situation right now in the markets, I think it would be safer to secure some, well, if not securing profit, but at least manage the risk a little bit, right? So let's hope for that. And since we're all here, let's all smash the likes. You know, guys, that's the job. Smashing the likes. And guys, I just bought a new perfume. Smell it. It's amazing. Look at that. Ah. Can you smell it? It's great. Ah. It's Dior Sauvage. Dior Sauvage, you know, I like this. All right. On my desk currently, I have 3 colognes. So whatever you like, Terry can smell it. I have 3 here. So I have the Dior Sauvage here. I have one. Guys, other than the fact that I'm collecting wristwatches and stuff, I do have lots of colognes. Or I don't know what's it called in English. Terry, she can smell it. Oh, let's go, market. Push it up there. Let's see the 21. Man, that cheats wear that perfume. So I'm the kind of person, like I'm cheating on my spouse, right? So I'm cheating. That's who I am, right? I really love this, and it's very expensive, by the way. But I'm gonna tell you a secret. Sometimes I buy the replica. Sometimes I buy a copycat perfume. So why should I pay $200 for the original perfume if I can buy the exact same replica for $10? Just saying, right? Sometimes I do that. Like, why would I pay $200 if I can buy it for $10? But anyway, that sounds fun. Okay, actually it's right here. I'm gonna show you guys. It's right here somewhere. Right here. Guys, I'm gonna prove it to you. This here, these are the same. This is the real one, and this is the replica. Look at that. This is the real one, and this is the replica. You know. Anyway, okay, we broke above 581. It's not even saying Dior Sauvage. It's saying I don't know if the camera can zoom in. It's saying Savagary or something like that. There you go. It's saying Savagary. It's not. Anyway, smell difference? Exactly the same. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. So this is just a few dollars, and this is almost $200. Exactly the same. Just saying. Let's see. So what I should do here, I should secure some, I should move my stop a little bit. Like, I think I should move my stop to somewhere around 515, right? 514. Should we do that? Let's move it. 514. So I move my stop because if this one would drop, I don't really want to be in that trade anymore. Oops. And by the way, I'm just saying that today, if we're gonna hit the 60K subs on my funded TV, I'm calling Luke for special giveaways live on stream. By the way, I'm gonna call him up on his phone, on his cell phone. So, you know, guys, that's the plan today. Terry, 1000%, I promise you, once we hit the 60K during the stream, I think we are very close. We're definitely under 100, so I think we can do it. If we hit, I'm putting him on speaker. I'm gonna put it to the microphone, and we're gonna talk with Luke live on stream. 100 billion%. I'm promising for giveaways. I'm gonna ask him for giveaways, guys. So we need to hit the 60K marker. Yeah. It's gonna be awesome. What should I tell him when I call him up? Like, hey, Luke, what's up? You know, I just thought I'd call you up. Like, hey, how's your day so far? What you doing? You know, and he would be like, what the hell are you talking about, Tom? Aren't you streaming or something? And I would like, yeah, sure, I'm streaming, but I'm like, you know, just asking, how you doing, man? I don't know. If 1 minute candles get above, yeah, confident. Yeah, I wanna see this 15-minute gap as target. How many trades you take per day usually? Well, if I'm having a quote unquote normal day, if my mind is in the Zen state, if everything like normal in my personal life and everything like checks out, in a perfect world, in a perfect day, I usually take like, including London and New York session, both together, I take like 3-4 trades a day, including London and New York. So 3-4 trades a day, maybe 5. If I'm a little bit more nervous, if I'm a little bit more, I don't know, unbalanced, then I used to take a few evals, like 1 or 2 evals, and I used to torture 1 or 2 evals with some scalping. And, you know, anything can happen on those evals, but I try to, of course, be careful with those evals, but I go into scalping mode just to blow off some steam. But obviously I try to, you know, do controlled risk. Telling me you get replica perfume. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I will ask him that. Let's all smash the likes, everyone. I don't know how we are doing right now. Where's the live feed? I have to log in, because then I see the updated numbers. Okay, we are at 27 likes. Come on, everybody. I know we can do better. I know we can do. Let's push it. And let's just pray that this trade is going to go to that fair value gap. Although if something comes up, this one can easily go below the 500. So we could be having a hard time with this one. Hopefully not too much. But, you know, all depends. Oh, it's rejecting. Oh, that's not good. It's rejecting it. Oh no. Oh no. That is not good. Oh no, come on. What is happening? Okay, there's a 3-minute gap here, which could be helping us. The 1 hour gap? My gosh, okay. Are you talking about this hourly gap here? The recent one? This one? Okay. All right. All right. All right. Inversion. Inversion. This one. This. The 4 a.m. inversion. I don't know which inversion. This. Okay. You gotta be specific. Okay. This one here. Okay. 4 a.m. 1 hour IFVG. How about that? Let's give it a different color. Some very, very bad color. Let's give it some. Okay, it's gonna be fine. How about that? Much better, right? What the? 4 a.m. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I don't like this. I don't like this. What a rejection here. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Man. I mean, as long as it picks up liquidity like somewhere down to like the 520s, maybe we can survive this. We were looking so good up there at 600. It was looking so good. It was so awesome. Why does this keep happening to us? Anyway. It was looking so great. Dominic had to come up with this inversion gap, and now the market is falling. As soon as Dominic brought it up, look at that. It's just going down. We won't reverse till opening bell, I think. Oh man, then we're stuck here. Okay. Let's pray. Okay, we're prayed. Let's go. It's just hedging. I'm not blaming Dominic. Of course I'm not blaming. Dominic knows that I'm joking. Dominic is an OG viewer. Right, Dominic? Dominic is cool. He's awesome. Futures is used for hedging for firms. Okay, okay, okay. All right, NQ. Okay, all right. All right, NQ. This is your time to grab glory. To go for that 621 finally. Go for my favorite level up there. Tag the zones. Tag the weave up. I don't care. Just get into that 5-minute CB. Sorry, 15-minute CB. Just get there. Do you believe in God? I do. Yes, I do. So make sure everybody behave nicely, because, you know, you go up there and there's going to be like, you know, a huge list that you have to, you know, like, hey, you did that, you said that, okay, and it's going to be like a lot of things to apologize for. Good morning, Burrito. I'm already having lots of things to apologize for, by the way. So I do need to, you know, do something. Yeah, once we all got back, I mean, we all get up there. First of all, there's going to be a huge welcome party, and everybody's going to be there at the same time, because, you know, time stopped existing, right, in that dimension. So everybody's going to be there at the same time. So we all meet at the same time. But obviously, before they let us in, everybody's going to have to like, hey, Tom, yeah, listen, there's a list here, you know, can you please tell me what happened here in 1998? Oh, well, there's something 2003. Okay, so what was this? Okay, you know what, that was not a nice thing. So what can you tell about that? Okay, and so that's gonna take for a while to explain everything, but hopefully it will be good. I believe in God of ticks. Well, there could be a God for everything. Who knows? The interesting thing is, I was, by the way, I was on when I was in high school, not high school, university. I was so I was in university. I was listening. I was having some lectures. I needed to pick up some lectures and to get some points. I was listening to theology. True story, guys. I was listening to theology and philosophy because it was interesting. So I was like, should I be listening to something I don't understand at all and I don't care, or should I just listen to something to get the points? Of course, something I'm interested in. So I was listening a little bit of theology and philosophy, and it's quite interesting, like all these cultures and the religions. Like many of the religions on earth like has this almost the same story. By the way, I'm not gonna go into, because this stream is gonna go real sideways, but some key points in all the religions are almost exactly the same. So it doesn't really matter how you call it, God, Allah, creator, whatever. At the end, you know, they all become one. Anyway, oh my gosh, let's just leave it at that. Mark Miller, hello. I'm doing great, thank you. Move your stop to entry. Not gonna say, yeah, I mean, I think you did the right choice there. I'm gonna give a little bit more room for this to wiggle around here, and we'll see what happens. Getting philosophical on the charts, yeah. Philosophical, ethical. So the market just got unplugged. Please, NQ, let's go. Just a little bit more push. I know you can do it. Let's push it to 621. Come on, I know you can do it. Come on, NQ. Just a little bit. Ah. Man. We can do this. Let's move higher. Please, NQ. I know you want to get up there. I know. You know, even if NQ goes down and sweeps everything below 500, even then later on, I would still be curious if these levels are going to get tagged. Let's look for some demand zones. I don't want to, but I think we need to talk about some demand zones here. On the 5 minute, at least there is none. So there's nothing down there. There is nothing on the 4-minute. That's good. Technically, there is one on the 3-minute, unfortunately. I hate when that happens. But I need to put this here. That's a 3-minute demand zone. Down there. Oh, man. 434. I don't want to see that. Technically, it's valid. That's the problem. All right. You can still pray a little bit, you know. Let's smash those likes, everyone. Make sure to subscribe as well if you haven't already. Short side of the one. Dude, the thing bottom ticked me. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. Rumanga. My gosh. That's a tough situation there. That's a tough situation. Got a size less, exactly. my TP is your break even. Oh no. Oh no. Well, this is gonna be tough. I mean, if it's not able to go up there, I get it. I understand, but you know, what would be the narrative in that case? Feel me world, hello. Hey Tom, I just joined the stream. Could you please explain why you took this trade? Sure, absolutely. So first of all, the main thing I'm looking at is to have a good target, right? So I'm all about supply and demand. So that's my bread and butter, looking for supply and demand zones. So there is 2 supply and demand zones on this is the 1-minute chart right now, but I'm not going to switch to the 3-minute, but right here, where is it? Right here, it's a 3-minute, and here's another 3-minute supply area. So we have 2 of these zones there. Now we extend it to the right. One level is 643. and 671. Now, target wise, once I have the target, that's a good point, right? That's awesome already. Now, we swept the previous day low during the London session, and then in between the London and the early New York session, price was slowly recovering and shifted the structure most likely here in this area. So we had some sort of a structure shift on the higher time frames as well, like on the 5 minute we had, well, not the best structure shift, I give it that. So that's the only concern here. But like here on the 3 minute, look at all these structure shifts with up close candles. And now my entry is at 56. I missed my entry actually, but my original entry that I wanted to take was here, but I forgot to take it there. So my entry is way off. There was a 3 minute gap here because look at the shift on the 3 minute chart. There was a market structure shift here with up close candles. There was a market structure shift here with the same up close candle. This was a really good one. And of course we had another one actually. Where is it? It's right here. So we had another, it's basically a continuation. So these are shifts up here. Bullish market structure shift, bullish market structure. I would say these are just most likely confirmations, and this is a continuation, but I like that this level got also shifted too. Anyway, these were enough for me on the 3 minute that we might gonna go higher. Now, we have a 15-minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, which is basically a fair value gap. Let me switch to the 15-minute. Don't get confused about the inversion gap. We put it there because Dominic wanted it. I'm not really, I don't really care about this 1 hour inversion gap, so pretend that it's not there. What I was caring about is like, what is the closest level of liquidity once price can get into this area as close as possible to the supply zone? And this is the 15-minute fair value gap here. If you switch lower from the 15, you will see that it has the same spot as the high of that 5-minute swing high. And it shares the same as the 4-minute swing high here. And also it has some fair value gaps here. So I would say that that's a pretty good liquidity area in that 15-minute fair value gap. So that was the idea. Actually, let me go back to the 1 minute chart. So that was the idea. My entry was late. So my entry is 56. As you can see, I missed my entry at least 10 points. But I'm like, let's go there. So that is the explanation why I took it. I like the targets up there. We also have the VWAP, of course. So in a nutshell, we have really good juicy targets up there for liquidity. These levels, you know, the fair value gap, the zone, the VWAP, the other zone, these are all good target levels. So why not go for it? Obviously, any second, and that's my only problem, this market can drop down any second. And if it drops, I'm telling you, and I really don't want it to see, it can drop down 100 points easy, without a sweat. Easy. 100-point drop, easy. No sweat for NQ. Just to sweep everybody who's long. And you know what's going to happen? If it drops, if this one drops down, takes the elevator, it's just going to rebuild some structure and then it's going to take it anyways. So my stop loss is definitely in danger, but it's fine. No problem. Let's see what happens, you know. Yeah. Good morning. Exactly. Dominic, we could be lasting higher. Good morning. Ray Geeks, sorry. I won the account that never received it. Oh, you definitely won the account. Let me post you because yesterday we had the credit is in your account, 100 billion%. Let me just paste you the message. Let me paste you the link and you will find it out. They actually credited the account to you last Friday. I know that because they confirmed it back to me. Here's the link. Here's the link. Just give me a second. I'm going to paste it to you. where are you? Ray Geeks, please check out this one. This is how you can activate the credit. You just have to go into purchase a new 50K account, and when it goes to how you want to pay, credit card or whatever, you will see you have one credit there. You have one 50K credit. It's 100% there on your account. They confirmed it back to me. So it's there. It's there. Actually, they put it there last Friday. There's the link. Please check out that link, and yeah, please check it. It has to be there. The way you can activate it is like, you need to go into purchase, like start a new account. Absolutely, you're welcome. And when you go to like, what would you, how you want to pay, you scroll down and you will see that there is 150, but you have to choose the 50K account. So it's not going to appear on the 150 or some other account. The 50K account, you scroll down and you will see one credit. And that's how you can use that credit to pay for the account. I forgot. Actually, it's my fault because I wanted to tell you guys at the giveaway how you can activate the giveaway account. So it's my fault, actually. You see, I told you. This is what happens with NQ. Dun, 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 dun. I don't get it. I don't get it. What's happening with the price right now? What is going on? That really happened in a second. It could have been some news or whatever. Never suffer. Hello there. Welcome. How's it going? Moving my stop loss to break even. Oh man, I'm still hanging in this, but oh dude, I don't like this. I told you, this is what we were talking about. It can drop 100 points in a second, and we got to check the news. Like, was there some news here? I guess there was, right? This is, I don't have a subscription, so I don't know. We might have to wait a few more minutes for confirmations. Good morning, Martin. Hello. Tris, what's up? Sandip Beded. Sorry, I butchered your name there. 15-minute possible SMT. It could be the case. Unfortunately, wow, it's not going for that level. Wow. NQ is really playing dirty right now. It's really dirty. Dirty games. No news on Squawk. Okay. From the new week opening. Okay. I want to get into Fibonacci a little bit more. I think I need to reread that that book about the Elliott waves as well. You know, it's all about that. Space Futures FX. Hello there. Troops. Oh, I paid. No volume. Hey there, Camilla. Hello. Jó reggelt, szia. Hogy mint? Jó reggelt. A fellow Hungarian trader from New York. Oh my gosh, this price action is like, oh. The 200 simple measure. Okay, so we have the moving average as well. We have so many things right around this level. Maybe that's causing some trouble for us. I don't know. Maybe. Wow, we have only 51 likes, everybody, and we have 246 viewers, which is awesome. Thank you so much. Can we smash the likes? It's so easy to get to 100, everybody. Let's get to 100 likes. I know we can do it. Let's get to 100. Easy. Super easy. I know we can do it. Let's do it, everyone. We can do it. Of course we can. And while we do it, let's pray for the trade. Getting ready, just woke up. All right. Mikor beszélgetünk újra? Kíváncsiak, mi újság New Yorkba feléd. You can do it. Just want to let you know, I use credit card. I used the credit card and it worked. Oh, yeah, but did you use the credit, Regix? Did you find the credit in your credit bank? I mean, don't use the credit card. You use the credit. All right. I thought that you paid with real money. You have. Okay. Reggie, congratulations again. I'm happy for it. Trading Star is here in the flesh. Good to see you. What's up? Hello. Hello. And you know, we're you know, definitely we're honored to have Terry on board with us in today's stream. Oh my gosh, hold on. Are we having 123 likes? 124 likes now. Guys. Oh, you guys don't hear me clapping. But I'm actually clapping because the noise gate, you know. Let's go. Thank you so much, everybody. Gabor, hello. I'm really hoping for this trade to work out. Let's go. 150 is easy. Let's push it. Easy. Easy. Khairul Amirul. I like the name there. Hello. Welcome. Guys, today we gotta make it to 60K on MyFundedFutures, you know. If we make it to 60K, I'm gonna call Luke live on stream. I'm gonna put him on speaker. Hopefully he's not gonna say anything bad to me or something. I'm gonna put him on speaker and I'm going to ask for some special extra giveaway for MyFundedFutures, all right? Hopefully he's not gonna say, Tom, I'm in the middle of something. Go away. But I don't want to talk to you now. Hey, no problem, Cruz. Absolutely, you're absolutely great. Did you say 152 point high low range in 10 minutes? Called 10 minutes on gold. I haven't checked it. What's happening on gold? Wow, look at this. And by the way, what a drop on gold, right? So, what is happening? What a drop here. Gotta preserve the account. Yes. The good news is there is no supply zone up here that we missed. There's no supply zone up here on the 4 and nothing on the 5. Guys, there's this is kind of strange because usually we see some sort of a zone here, but now we don't have anything. 20 seconds until 8 a.m. Whatever that may mean, but 15 seconds now. Nothing's gonna happen, hopefully. But Um, nothing on gold. Okay, nothing on gold for now. Let's get back to our previous programming on NQ, and we are passed through 8 a.m. Eastern Standard. 20 more minutes until the comics open, and yeah, we might be having some more liquidity in this hour. It's my first time. Thank you so much for joining us, Tashi Akhter. Hello. I was wondering, what time do you start streaming? So I'm streaming 2 times a day, actually 3 times. I'm streaming the London session, but I'm going to tell you in New York Eastern Standard Time zones. So I'm streaming from 2 a.m. somewhere around 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is the London morning. And I stream also somewhere around 7:15 a.m. up until like 8:30-ish plus minus Eastern Standard. And then from 9 a.m. you can catch me at MyFundedTV, as I'm a co-host there, and we're having a great community there. If you don't know about MyFundedFutures, it's a prop firm, great futures prop firm. So I'm co-hosting the show there on YouTube from 9 a.m. to 10. So overall, 3 times a day, but like on my channel from 7 a.m. and from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard, usually or 7:15. Trying to catch the early New York moves here, but look at this. This is just, oh man. $75 per month. Oh, which prop firm is that? Kaboosh. Hello, Bear Trader. What's up? We all get kabooshed. We are at 139 likes. Amazing. 257 viewers, guys. Amazing. We had 257 viewers. That is so cool. And oh my gosh, this trade, come on. I'm okay though. But like this is like, wow. All good until 14. So I'm good. I'm still good. I'm okay. 30 minutes. Yeah, that's the problem. We have so many. I mean, it seems like that this gap here, I'm gonna call this Dominic's inversion gap or whatever. This is kind of holding us back. I just want to get to that 15-minute fair value gap up there. That's all I want. All I want for Christmas is a 15-minute fair value gap, please. Pedro, what do you think about Apex new plan? I think finally they made the right thing. I think finally Apex did the right thing. They should have done this way back, at least a year ago or more. 2 years maybe. Finally they made the right decision. This should have been done way earlier. Yeah, there are some minor things that I would tweak a little bit, like maybe the $250 winning day on a 50k account. Maybe it's a little bit too much. Maybe I would lower it to like at least 200. So that could be a little bit too much. But they should have done this way back, way back. So I think it's good. You think no way they're about to rug pull. Why should they rug pull? They are one of the biggest brands in the prop firm space, and they are having lots of customers, even though after the fiasco for last year, the rule changes and all the drama, that actually gave them good marketing, by the way, because everybody, if you think about it, everybody was talking about Apex all year long. It's just like, you know, they should have done this like way back. So now which is really important, and that's a good news. They are stating that there is going to be no more denials, no more approval waiting, no more whatever. Once you reach the level, boom, you're gonna get paid out. That's it. So finally, no more, like, it was a little bit frustrating. You get to the payout level, you sent in the request, and then you were waiting for days, like, oh my gosh, is it gonna get approved or not? No more, nothing like that. No more 30% rule, that the maximum allowed drawdown per trade. That's got waived. Finally. That was, by the way, I know many of you guys were using the full maximum loss limit, I understand, but finally that's out of the way. So I'm really hoping it will work out fine. 90% off currently from the option one, the intraday trading accounts, and I think 85 or 80% from the or 85, I don't know, from the end of day trading accounts. Bulenox is also down 89%, by the way. So they do have that sale going on. Not just for practice purposes, Pedro. I think they're really good. Apex top steps falter as an opportunity. You know, Chizard, I was thinking the same thing. I think Apex is jumping into the space that Top Step left behind, because this model is a little bit like the same, but at least they put a payout cap. Now you might say like, oh, but there's a payout cap. You know, for long-term sustainability, I think that's the best thing that a prop firm can do, is to have a payout cap. So I have no problem with the payout cap, you know. Yeah, 85% end of day accounts. End of day trailing accounts. But there's a daily loss limit there, so watch out. I don't know. Is it a soft breach? I think it's a soft breach, the daily loss limit. I think it's on the evals as well, Dominic. I don't know. It's still consolidating, man. It's still, and honestly, I think that this is it for my trade. I don't want to move my stop. If it spikes down below the 515, I'm just gonna go with it, and maybe I'm gonna be looking for the same levels maybe later, maybe after like 9 or 9:30. I'll be watching that level. Who knows? Soft breach. Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Layden. So that's soft breach. You can continue the next day, which is good. Yeah, exactly, Sandip. The biggest win right now is that there is no review. The system automatically puts you on a payout roll once you reach the payout level. No more reviews, no more strategy videos, whatever, nothing. And I'm really happy about the payout cap. So those kind of situations when people were able to get $1 million or $2 million, which is a great achievement, don't get me wrong, but that was only achievable by also paying $300,000 or $500,000 for evaluation accounts. Now, the reality is that the average trader is not going to do that. And that is kind of building up a false belief. Like you think that, oh, I'm going to purchase a 300K account and I'm going to make $1 million. No, I'm sorry to say this, but no, you're not. You're not going to. And I'm really happy about the payout cap. Anyway, I know some of you guys don't like what I say, but I respect your opinion as well. Oh, I see, Pedro. You have the data and that's it. I see. Oh, Pedro, you know what I said. Keep it slow. Keep the focus. That's what it's all about, Pedro. Exactly. The daily loss limit actually can help with the tilt a lot. So you can chill a little bit, and you're not going to be wasting that much money, hopefully, and just come back the next day, you know. Kane is good. I don't want to get into names. I know some names are absolutely good and valid. Some names are also good. So obviously, if you're purchasing evaluation accounts for $500,000 and you can get out $1 million, then you made $500,000, right? So you just doubled your investment. But that is not the average reality. That is not something that an average trader does, okay? And that is what is left out of the equation in the last years, I would say. So we've seen all these big numbers, especially from Apex, like, oh my gosh. But, you know, there is more into that, which is okay. I get it. That's money too, of course. But that's not what is the classic trading is about. I think that's my, I might gonna get some heat about this, but I'm not saying anything bad to those traders. I'm not saying anything bad to anyone. I'm just saying that's a different type of trading. That is prop firm gaming. That's what I used to say. You're gaming the prop firm space. So that's why, and I made the video years ago, by the way, like, what do you want to be? A prop firm? Oh my gosh, here's the man with the fun coupons. The man himself.
I just wanted to make TOMSABO say my name. It makes me H-ny.
If I say his name, he's gonna be horny. Hey, methodical man, what's up? What's up with the fun coupons, methodical man? Methodical man, how you doing, methodical man? Oh my gosh, it's Terry as well. Oh my gosh, Terry, where's the alert? We need the sound alert. I don't know, it's Streamlabs is messing up everything. Where's the sound alert for Terry's donation? Oh my god, I'm gonna give you an applause, Terry. Thank you so much for the $10 donation. Methodical man got a boner. Kendall. Oh my god. Do something about the trade, methodical man. This is definitely not looking good. I want to see this turn around and go back up there. Somebody help me. Yeah, Forrest. Why there was no alert when Terry was sent anyway? Thank you so much, Terry. That was, oh my gosh. So what's going to happen with this trade here? Almost at the stop loss. Look at how close we were to the take profit there. We were above 600. Tom, I have to dance. I've got to call Luke today. That's my first assignment. I got to call Luke live on stream. Once we hit the 60K, make sure to hit the, we need to hit the 60K subs. I'm going to call him live on the stream. We hit the 70K. I'm going to do the dance. I promise you guys that. I'm actually going to set up a separate camera and I can dance at 70K. Methodical man says there was no alert because her donation wasn't as awesome. Oh! Fun coupons.
My name is Better Myth.
Oh my god. The fun coupons. It's a clash of hosts right now. It's a clash of the hosts. Okay, do something with the trade now. do something with this so it can finally go up. I'm actually going to blame Dominic about this trade. So if it goes lower. No dancing. Go to church. Yeah. I want to see Methodical Man dance a little bit. You know, not just. It shouldn't just be me. We need to see Methodical Man. You know, Methodical Man just puts on. You know, he's. You know, on MyFundedFutures, he just have that comfortable. You know, log cabin background. You know, and you know sits very comfortable in his chair. But we never really see him dance around. It's called the market makers. ATP will be smashed. I'm going to call the market makers. Anyone knows how to use this phone? Nobody? All right. I'm going to use it. All right. I'm actually typing. So, no, I'm not going to use this. That's crazy. I still have this here. I don't know why. These are the kind of phones that we have in Hungary. So. I am. Yeah. I'm sending out the page. Yeah. I am. Where is my phone? Oh, here's the phone, by the way. Here's the phone. Guys, you might ask after this, like, what the hell is this guy keeping on his desk? Now, I have two phones here. The good old Ericsson T28 and the T29 and the T28. These are both connected to the market makers. Okay, so now you saw two retro phones, three retro phones, and I have some perfume here. And you guys don't want to see the rest. So just saying. Ah, you saw that. Okay. You saw that. A fax machine. We need a fax machine. Yeah. What do I have here? This clock is from the DeLorean. If you watch the movie Back to the Future, this is exactly the clock that is inside of the DeLorean. Just saying, in 1955. Just saying. So also right here next to me, just in case I know what the time. Guys, you wouldn't believe how much crap there is all around in my desk. I have retro phones. So just to keep control of my sanity here, I also have this. What's it called? You guys know it. I have this. Everything I have, everything I need is here. Just saying. These things are helping me to, you know, don't go insane completely. So, dude, I have so many. That's the casting couch. That is actually a Methodical Man. I'm just saying this to you, Myth. This is actually a real casting couch here. This is actually the real casting couch right behind me. So, others cover your ears. So, Pedro is already asking, have you ever suffered from anxiety? Yes, I was suffering from depression very much. Pedro, please do not, you know. I think I told you this. The thing right now, Pedro, is that you need to focus. You need to steer the focus away from trading a little bit more, and you need to focus on your job and on your family more. So trading right now for you should be absolutely just a learning progress right now, and not putting more money into evals Just, you know, even paper trading, just learning. Right now your focus needs to be on your family, on your job. That's what is going to, you know, get you forward, believe me. I need to add, I'm not gonna add to this, I'm not gonna add. Tom's bathwater, we do that only on the OnlyFans page. Only on the OnlyFans page. The bathwater is only strictly for OnlyFans members. Okay. Well, yeah. Think or Swim has paper trading. Let's go. Yeah. Or by the way, MFutures also has demo account. For example, you can trade demo at MFutures. Ninja also offers. I think. Oh my. You don't need, well, you can have Ninja license, so basically on a sim account you can trade. But yeah. Come on, trade. It's time. I'm not going to extend this inversion gap. I don't want it to get in our way one more time, so let's just push it higher. What happened for your FTMO account? I blew it up, Yanix. I blew up the account, unfortunately. Not unfortunately, but, you know, I got a little bit hard-headed there. I took too much positions and I blew the account up. Yeah. I will try again though, Yanix. I can tell you that. I will try again. That's a 10K from my savings and 5K that from credit card in my country. Oh yeah, that's a lot of money. Pedro, you still need to focus on your job, you know. And thank you for sharing it with everybody. Pedro, right now you need to focus on your job and trading. You don't have to throw away trading, but you need to have trading as a side project right now, just to learn slowly and detach completely from the profits right now, at least for the next couple of months. Because right now the most important thing you need to do is to gain that mental strength back. You know, I was also suffering from the depression a lot back in 2021. A lot of depression. I know how it is. I know. I had those days. It was very bad. Very, very bad. I know how it is. You buy which type? I bought the 100K. I bought the 100K some swing account. I bought the swing account, the 100K swing account. I don't trade on top one futures, Thiago. I heard about them, but you know. What the heck is going on with this trade, guys? Come on. This is so annoying. This is just so annoying. I really thought that this is gonna go finally up there. It's just not going. Not yet. Absolutely, Pedro. And listen, again, thank you for sharing it. And trust me, it feels better if you share it with others. And of course, we're here to anyone. If you guys, you know, have some hardship in your life, partially because trading or whatever, of course. But right now, yeah, just like Camila is saying, so everybody's been there. I was suffering also from depression, and the depression came mostly from the financial troubles that I got into. Financial troubles so trading when you are financially in a difficult spot even trading with prop firms can actually be 10 times harder. I'm sorry to say it, that's the reality. It can be 10 times harder to trade in a tight financial spot, hoping, I'm sorry, but this is the truth, hoping that that particular account is going to finally help you out. That's just putting you on so much pressure and so much false expectations, and it's very hard to come out from that. I mean, if you're just relying on that on that single account. No. Stuck on this range, yeah. Oh, the 10K accounts are good too. Yeah, exactly. Depression comes mostly from lack of money. Exactly. Follow the process. Chizzer, thank you. Yes, Methodical Man came here and conquered. Thank you, Chizzer, for being here. Victimized, just no, absolutely, Pedro. I absolutely understand what you're saying. Trust me, I absolutely understand what you're saying there. Exactly. And at this point, maybe it even would be better to not to spend money on evals at all, just for like at least a couple of weeks or a few months maybe, and just relearn and practice some entries. Try to build up a routine for the trades, and then start again. Yeah, if you're rushing it, it's gonna be much harder. Oh my gosh, this trade, no, it's gonna go to the dumpster, I feel like. Well, it will, most likely. So this trade, exactly what Camila is saying. Exactly. Maybe you need to find success in small things in your life. So if you complete your job, like whatever is your job, if you're doing it right, maybe your boss or your fellow employees or partners are going to be proud of you. You can show them how it's done. You can show your boss, your coworkers, whoever you work with or for, you can show like, okay, I can do this right. I can do this properly. And I think sooner or later, they're going to appreciate what you do. And so you got to focus on those small positive things. You will achieve small goals every single day. Like, I know it's kind of sounds stupid what I'm going to say, but maybe like fix something around the house. Help out your wife with something. If she's having some trouble with the washing machine or with the whatever around the house, then help her out, fix something, do the kitchen right or whatever. But small details, be at your job, mentally focus, and maybe not at the first day or the second day, but small, tiny little steps every single day. And the attitude, your family, your wife, the ones who are around you, they will start to support you, or like I mean, I know they support you now, but they will like, okay, they see that you're putting your focus on the right place, which is them also. So it will work out. I'm sure about that. It has to work out. Not like this trade currently, which is about to hit the stop loss. This trade is not working out. So unfortunate, but I will still be focusing. And we're out. Come on. How are we still in this trade? Can somebody tell me how we are still in this trade? How are we still in this trade? How is it possible? Let me know. I don't know. It practically went to my stop loss and it didn't fill the order. Yeah, take some days off, things like that. Yeah. Yeah, troops, exactly. So emotions, like, they could shift a lot. Until I'm in a payouts, now he wants. There you go. Your futures, yeah, it's so different, like, for everybody. These things are so different for everyone. You clearly choose your stop loss well. Well, the market will decide, you know. Oh no, it doesn't seem like it's good. It's dropping now. Well, I think it's gonna drop some more. There's a swing low, by the way, below my stop. There's a swing low at 500-ish. So I think it's gonna take it out. Anyway. Okay, we're out. We're out, guys. We tried. It is what it is. Just one more trade. We gotta have losses. It's part of the game. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't read everything, but I just want to say, Pedro, hang in there, right? Hang in there, and thank you for all the good advices from everybody here on the stream. No, absolutely, Pedro, you're not. You know, you're not stealing anything. We were just waiting for this trade anyway. So thank you, everybody. Thank you for all the positive energy that has been given to Pedro, from Camilla and Trading Star and everybody who commented. And I just want to say, let's get to MyFunded TV. I'll be there in 20-something minutes. And let's hit the 60K, because I'm going to call up Luke. All right. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the code TOMSABO. It's up there. The code is the same as you see it in the banner. It works everywhere. MyFundedFutures, you get the best deals with the code TOMSABO. It supports the channel. Also, Apex, 90% off, 85 on the end of day trading accounts. Bulenox, 89% off, 75% on the end of day trading accounts. There's a buy one get one for free promo extended until the 6th of March at Funded Futures Network. Check it out. Take Profit Trader, you know the rest. Lucid Trading is awesome. Thank you so much, everybody, for the support. So God bless you all. Take care. All right, stay safe, and I'll be seeing you at MyFunded TV, and of course tomorrow in London and New York. God bless everybody. Cheers.